Are you ready to win?
Yeah.
Come join the winning circle.
With the winners, baby.
Put up your hands for me, baby.
Put them up.
And do it like we're supposed to.
Yeah.
'Cause we're gonna win.
Consider this the theme song for victory. You say to yourself, you made history. I'm trying to make it feel like the first time. Like a junkie, I'm sorta chasing my first high. I'm focused, I'm disciplined, I'm ready. Mentally on point, sharp as a machete. Hard work, I work hard, I get the job done. There's only one number one, I'm number one. I'm confident, you could call it vain or conceited. Cars, clothes, I need it. Condos, condoms, and bad to be with. Run with a winner, baby. Be unconventional, freak me off with your friends, maybe. You could be mine, girl, be mine. Fair weather friend, or you could be mine. Yeah, be mine. Friend till the end. Ambition, success is the cure. They wanna win, I gotta win. I sell it pure. I got dope boy bombs, Einstein brains, the heart of a homicidal on a chain gang. I want yachts and drops. I got spots to watch. I wanna see what life is like from the mountaintop. Who said sky's the limit? I'm limitless. I just took the pill. Why you think a slow flow so ill? Be careful, this shit I got's highly contagious. We hustle to it, had us all locked up in cages. Time won't fly when you've been bitten for ages. War stories and wars back and forth and trading. For the root of all evil, Lord saves the Satan. From the bottom, desperation cause moves to be making. I guess it's all risk versus rewards. And risk it all for